Hey y'all, this is my first official vlog and we are gonna clean today. We just got off work and this is what we're cleaning. We are gonna clean this entire cabinet right here. Yes. So we're gonna just open up some blinds and get ready. It is, I don't even know what time it is right now. Let's see. It's 10 o'clock right now. And we're gonna clean that whole cabinet. So let me just show you, this closet is crazy. This is like the pantry and I have a lot of stuff, so I'm overstimulated looking at it. I have little Jax, but he's no help at all. He just want to sniff everything. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bottom because I feel like this is the easiest part because it's not much but just a bunch of junk. So yeah, let's get to it. We just have a bunch of cups, iced coffee cups, hot cups. Looks so much better, and don't judge me, this is not a very aesthetic pleasing home, you know, but it is clean. And now we have to do all this. Now this is the final look. So much better. Honestly, sorting all this coffee stuff really made me want to have a coffee, but I already had one today, so I don't know if I'm gonna have another one. I'm just gonna wipe these down. Everything is clean. I'm so happy that it's something I wanted to do for so long. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. This is my first ever cleaning video, so let me know how I did. But everything's clean. We got trash bags full of expired things that's going out the door. So yeah.